Hey everybody, this is Erik coming from Kansas again, out here on a nice wintry day in Kansas, although it's not very wintry. It's actually about 60 degrees out, surprisingly, on January 31st, and out here enjoying some sun, getting some vitamin D in between day job stuff. But wanted to show you something did here about a week and a half ago or so. Put 6 more 100-watt solar panels in. One right here. Let's see if I can do this right. Here, and then 3 down here. From down here and to the middle here. So 3 on this second row in, and 3 right here on this row in the front here in the picture. So another 600 watts of solar in our system. So we got a total of 2,800 watts rated. So last year, take those away. Last year we had 2,200 watts rated, and the way this roof face, it's not ideal. It's a northwest facing roof, unfortunately, but it keeps it away from the front of the house, which is that way, so that nobody can see it, so nobody cares about it. The only way you can see it is from, I guess satellite images if you wanted to, but you have to know where the house is at. Anyway, works out for us. Plus, the roof is relatively got a flat slope. It's not very bad at all. Anyway, last year with the 2,200 watt rating, we got about, when it was hot outside, when the solar panels don't do as well and it's really hot, it got to maybe, between 1,300 and 1,500 watts, depending on the temperature of the day. I saw spikes above 2,000 when it was, much cooler out, but that didn't last very long. So anyway, hopefully these will get closer to the 16, 17, 1,800 range in watts, continuous, when it's, full sun out in June, things like that, but we'll see what happens. They are a different brand than the last 600 watt ones we put in, which are right here, and then this third row back here that you see. Those ones are, I think they were from Windy Nation or something like that, but these ones are Renogy brand, supposedly monocrystalline. These ones back here are polycrystalline, so you can see they're a little bit bigger. The polycrystalline ones are a little bit bigger than these Renogy ones. So the Renogy ones seem to be doing, I don't know, at times they've done better than I think it's like a 15 or 20% increase in rated capacity. They've done better than that. But at times it's been right on par. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I've already gotten to the point where we're making over 4 kilowatt hours in solar. Sorry, I said that fast. 4 kilowatt hours in solar per day in January on a good day like today. Previously, it was struggling to get up to 3 last year. Last year I didn't even have these other 600 watt ones put in, so I shouldn't say that. Last year in January we didn't even have any of these 100 watt panels here at all. That was just the ones way back there, and it was a struggle just to get anything out of them in January. But anyway, so I wanted to show you that. I want to give you some feedback on what we have seen in terms of capacity and production. So trying to think what else I need to say on that. I don't think there's anything else to say, but use the same attachment method with some concrete blocks, and attached them with some concrete screws, and wired them in parallel with these other 600 watt ones. So I didn't have to do a whole lot of wiring, all the way back to the box back there. I just had to wire them in parallel with these guys. Just bought some parallel wiring connections and wires and things like that. So that was pretty easy. So yeah, not too bad of an install. Doing pretty good for us. And actually, I got another 600 watts of these Rangy panels that I need to put in. So I'll give you another update on those, and hopefully before February is over. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. That's all I have for now on those, and we'll let you know how they do later in the summer when the other 600 watts are put in, and we get into May and June and things like that. So it should be pretty exciting for us. And that's all I got for now. Let me know if you have any questions. Grace and peace be with you. We'll see you later.